I would probably take the bag and then
Hmm.
take it to the police station. I would not leave it there because
Okay.
um, I can't think of any good reason. Okay, whatever you are comfortable with. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
All right. So, Mr. Shahid,
Yes, sir.
today we're going to talk about a bizarre surprise.
Okay, sir.
You have seen the document, right?
Yes, today I have seen it. Yes, sir.
Okay. So, should I start with the conversation or do you have anything to say?
No, sir, you can start, sir.
Perfect. Okay, let's go. Um, so, basically, Mr. Shahid, you are hiking somewhere in the hills, okay, alone. You come across a suitcase, and that suitcase has blood marks on it, okay,
Okay.
fingerprints full like from blood. You open the suitcase and you see that the suitcase has 10 crore rupees,
Mhm.
and you open the suitcase, and on top of the suitcase you can see the money, and
Okay, sir.
on top of that stack of money there is a note,
Okay.
okay, covered in blood, and it says don't.
Okay.
So what would you do in that situation?
Okay. So, you said about hiking, right? You are hiking. So,
Yes.
what does hiking? Can you tell me first, sir?
Hiking means when you are climbing up a hill.
Okay.
uh, have you heard of trekking?
Trekking.
Trekking.
Yes. Yes, I have heard it.
Yes, trekking. I'll just type it. Excuse me, I'm so sorry.
It's okay, sir.
Trekking, can you
Yeah.
see that?
No, I don't know trekking means, sir. That trekking means
Okay.
what does mean?
Trekking and hiking basically means climbing up a mountain. You know how
Okay.
people say people climb the Himalayas,
Mm-hmm. Yes,
the
sir.
mountain? Okay.
Okay.
So that is the most difficult type of trekking. But trekking in general means climbing up a mountain. Okay.
Okay. If
So
someone if someone climbing the mountain, so then we can say, uh, right?
hiking or trekking, you can use these words. Yes.
We can use. Okay. And
And generally it means that they are climbing on the mountain where there is no how do we say, there's no road, there's only a
yes.
rough path. So basically,
Okay.
when you have you ever been to a village where there are no roads, there are no proper walking footpaths, they're just there's just a gap in the road, in the mud, where you
Okay.
just know that people walk in that direction, right? A
Yes.
rough road where there are no plants or anything, because you could see that people keep walking in that direction, on that path, right?
All right. All right. Yes, sir. I got
Did
it.
you understand what I'm trying to say?
Yeah. Yes, I understood. Okay. So
Okay,
now I will tell
so
you about your answer. Yeah, that answer.
yes, that's what I was going to say. So what are you going to do?
Okay. What I did. So what I
What
would
you
do.
would do?
Yeah. Okay. So first in the I would go to the my friends first, and I would tell that story, that I would tell that incident about my friend, and I would convince them.
To your
Yes,
friends?
yes, yeah, I would tell you to my friend. Yes, some incident it happened, and I saw 10 crore rupees in the
Hmm.
forest. So let's go first the police station, and we will report there because
You
that is a
leave the
massive.
bag and then report it to the police station that there is a bag
Yes,
over there
with my friend. Yes, sir.
with your friend. Okay. Okay, go on.
Because
Continue.
I'm not courage means alone. So that's why I help first with my friend. I will help
So you can
my
say,
friend.
I don't have the courage to go alone.
Yes, I don't have courage, and so that's why I would help my friend, and that time I collect some courage, and then we will go the police station, and we report there. Yes, sir. That is it.
Okay, so don't say collect courage, because I think you're translating from Hindi to English,
Yeah, you
right?
can say so. Yes, sir.
Don't translate, please. Okay, so what you can say is, I would build some confidence, and then go to the police station.
Okay, I
Okay?
would build some confident, and then we will go to the police
Yes,
station.
to
Then
the
we
police
will report
station.
them. Yes.
Yes. So you can say that I can't go to the police station alone because I'm not I'm not brave enough. Brave is the
Yes.
word you want to use. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Um, or if you don't want to use brave, you can use courage. You were not wrong when you use that.
No, I
Um,
can go. I can't go. I can go to the police station alone. But if I will help to my friend, so it will easy for me, right, sir?
Obviously, yes. It will
Yes,
be
sir.
much easier if you have your friend there for support. Yes, you're right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you're going to leave 10 crores in the jungle. You're just going to leave it there.
Yes, I leave that. Yes, sir.
How can you leave so much money over there? There was no one around you.
Because maybe someone is do someone is tracking to me. That's why they lots of amount they leave some behind the reason big, sir. So that's why I leave that amount.
Can you repeat that?
I was saying that, sir, actually this is massive amount. That's a 10 crore, and so I leave because maybe that something reason behind in something wrong. So that's why I leave that amount.
Okay, so you would leave because it is very suspicious and you
Yeah.
don't want to get into trouble because of that.
Yes, sir. And
Okay.
what would you do, sir?
I don't know. I actually don't know because it depends on the situation. It depends on the situation. So
Okay.
I would probably take the bag and then
Mhm.
take it to the police station. I would not leave it there because
Okay.
um, I can't think of any good reason why someone would have 10 crore rupees in a bag
Mhm.
for any good reason. Like, I
Yeah,
can't think of it. Like, it
that is
probably
also
has
good.
to do something with drug money, or it has to
Yes.
do with some sort of thieves, or uh, maybe even terrorists. I'm not too sure.
Yes.
So
Yes.
I can't think of a good reason why someone would have 10 crore rupees in a bag,
Yes.
right? So it has to be something bad. So if it's bad, I would not want them to get it again in case they have lost it.
Yes.
So I would take
That.
it. I would probably take the bag, put it in my
Mhm.
car or whatever, and instantly call the police saying I'm on my way so that no one thinks I'm running away with the money. I would report it first and let them know that I am reporting this and I am going to deliver the bag to you and file a complaint, or whatever the legal procedure is.
Yes. Yes. True. Yeah, that way is
Right?
also good. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Because what if, at least you said you're going to leave the bag there. What
Yes.
if by the time you report it to the police and you come back, the bag is missing?
It's also
Then
happens, sir.
then the
Could
police
be
will think you
happen.
took the money.
Yeah, it could be happen, sir. Your
It
way is good, I
could
think, sir.
happen.
Yeah, it could be happen, but
No, don't say could be happen. Say it could happen.
it could happen. Okay, sir.
Yes, it could happen.
But
So don't you
the
think
way
this makes
you
more sense?
say, yeah, the way you say it is a good, I think. Yes.
Yeah. So now let's say you don't, I'm going to give you a guarantee that you don't fall in trouble. Then what? What would you do? You have your mobile phone with you. You can call your best friend. He can come to the same location where you are. Would you try to take the bag home? Would you try to take some money out of it?
No, I didn't get your question, sir. Could you come again, sir? Could you?
I said, let's say I'm guaranteeing you that in that situation, you are not going to fall in trouble. Okay?
Okay,
You are
okay.
you are 100% sure that no one no one is going to catch you. Then what would you do? Would you still report it to the police, or would you take some of the money home? Would you take all the money home? What would you do?
Now you turn questions, sir.
Yes, because I want to hear that answer from you. I want to hear the controversial answer. That's why.
Okay. Yeah, it's nobody catch me. So really, I took that money. I will take that money and I will
Yes,
go
good
home.
correction. Good correction. Okay. You will take the money and you will go home. How will you
Yeah,
spend that money?
and I would spend the money first Calepingo. I would spend the
Look,
money.
firstly, look at how excited you are. Look at your smile.
Yeah, yeah, really, I'm so excited. I would so excited that time,
Mm-hmm.
and I would spend money. First, I would tell. So that time, I didn't say to my friends. I would not say to my friend that time because I don't
You
feel time.
wouldn't, so you can
Yeah,
say
I
you wouldn't tell your friend. I wouldn't tell
yes,
my friend.
yes, I wouldn't tell my friend, and I would tell my family member. But I would tell my family member, uh, and then
Family
what?
members, plural.
Yes, my family members. Okay, sir. So I would tell my family members and what they what they would suggest to me. So I would do this thing.
Whatever they would suggest, I would try to do it.
Yes, sir.
Basically, you would call your family members and ask for their advice. How should I, uh, like, what should I do in this situation? Is it
Yes,
safe for me to take this money home? Or, in that sense. And I'm sure everyone's family would say that, oh, yeah, you found 10 crores just lying there, just get it home. We can use that money. Right? Everyone in this world will like say that they could use that money. No one's going to say no to free money.
maybe, sir. But you have granted now, so that's why I do this thing because
Only because
nobody.
I've given you the guarantee of not getting
Yeah,
caught.
that's why. Otherwise I don't I wouldn't take that money.
Otherwise, you're not brave enough. That's what you said, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Not a problem. So this is the bizarre situation. Okay.
Yeah.
One last question and we're done with this. Do you think finding that briefcase of 10 crore rupees is the same deal, same thing as finding a 500 rupee note on the road?
If you talk about practical, so it's a big amount. Both are not equal.
Yes,
Uh,
that's true.
if you talk about practical, but yeah, if you think about in soul way, so yeah, both are same. Then same both are.
You feel happy when you get the opportunity to, or when you find it basically, then you feel happy, right?
Yes, sir.
But what about the consequences?
Means
You don't, okay, consequences means results.
okay result. Yes.
Yeah,
So means you
consequences is basically if you
yeah.
murder someone, the
Mhm.
consequence is that you will get jail for like 7 years or 10 years, whatever.
Okay. So you were saying that mean you were saying that sir, if you would get 500 and otherwise 5 crore, so both are is
10
equal or
crore.
not? Yeah, 10 crore. So both are equal to you or not? That is your question, sir.
No, I'm asking you, how would it be different? Let's say you picked up the 500 rupee note, okay?
Okay.
And on your way out of that, let's say you're in a garden and you found 500. On the way out, the police catch you. Hey, you picked up the 500, okay?
Okay.
It's a small amount. You'll probably say, yeah, I picked it up. It was just kept over there, right? Someone
Yes.
dropped
Yes.
it, so I picked it up. But if you pick up a 10 crore briefcase and on your way back home on the highway or on the road, a cop catches you and finds you with 10 crore rupees in a briefcase that has blood stains on it, then what are the consequences?
So that's why. So this your question is different, and you turn
Yes. But
again
I'm
you
saying, how
turn
is it
me.
different? Finding 500
Okay.
rupees on the note and finding 10 crores in a bag, how is it different? That's what I'm asking.
Different is a because 10 crore is a big amount, so and there's a blood also, so that is a not good. And if cop catch me, so definitely they will do hard punish me. Yeah, they would they would they would uh, yeah they would punish me, and they would hard inquiry, right, sir?
Investigation, you can say.
Yeah, investigation. Yeah. They
So
would
you can
hard
say they would arrest me, and then there would be severe consequences. So I'm going to send you this. This is
yeah
consequences.
consequences
Okay.
means result. That's right, sir. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, that is a
Okay.
that's why I like you, sir. Really, you are amazing, sir. Really, because I watch
Thank
your
you so
video,
much.
lots of video. Yeah, that's amazing. Serious consequences.
Severe
Because
consequences.
yeah, you rectify yourself while speaking. Yeah, really, sir.
Thank you so much. So let me help you with this right now. Let's finish this conversation, and then last 5 minutes we can have a casual conversation. Okay? You can ask me any question you have. All right.
All right.
So in this case, you can say that if the cops catch me with a 10 crore rupees in a briefcase with bloodstains on it, there would be severe consequences. You don't have to talk about punishment. The cops don't punish you. The cops just arrest you. The courts give you the punishment because there will be some sort of case. There will be an investigation. They will try to find if you're actually at fault or no. Is it somebody else's mistake, right? So just because there's blood doesn't mean they're going to put you in jail for murder. They have to have some evidence for that, right?
Yes, yes.
So again, we broadly just say consequences. We don't say what the consequences are. But you are scared of any punishment because you have not done anything wrong. All you did is you picked up the bag and you left something you found on the road or on the mountain, right?
Yes.
Okay. So we are done with this. Sorry, we are done with this hypothetical. Okay. Um, now tell me, when was the last time in your career, okay, that
Okay.
you got your biggest surprise?
In my
This is a
career.
different topic, okay?
Okay, okay, sir. I got your question. It's so okay. I'm just thinking, sir. Wait a moment. Didn't get it, sir. Now.
You haven't gotten any surprise till now.
No, I got it maybe, but I didn't remember.